What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Slim on 26s. I got that Suburban out the paint shop. And I just wanted to show it off to y'all, that y'all see it. This is Ground Week. I'm still working on it. It's still an up and coming project. I'm still getting that done. And we'll see how far we go from there. I got a good color coming for that soon. But gonna get to business, gonna show y'all. Bam, this is the truck. Didn't show the video. I was a little disappointed in the paint and how things came out. It's a lot of trash and the paint on the hood. You know, for the money I spent, I was kind of excited to get it. Then when I really looked at it, I was a little disappointed. But I'm going to show it off anyway. I'm going to take that tag off the front. I took the chrome fenders off. I took the chrome off. We're going down the side. Supposed to be Brandywine Kandy. That's what he told me. He gave me that what I told him I wanted. Got a lot of spots in it with wet sand. And it wasn't buff. Got a lot of trash in it. I don't know. He still got my rack. He said he waiting on me. He want to make some more deals just to get my rack done, I guess. But he didn't do a fly job on this. He think I'm finna pay him a lot of money to do my car. And for him to do my rack, I just pay him to do my rack, even though it supposed to went with this. However it go. Because I want my rack back. And that's the update on the truck. And this is what it looked like so far. I didn't want nobody to say what I was talking about was cap. I wanted you to see I'm doing this for real, what I'm talking about. And I put it into action. Here you go. Y'all tell me what y'all think. I ain't gonna point out no Pacific spots, but there's a lot of dry spots where we're saying it not, boy. Brandywine Kandy. I think he did a good job how he did that on the front. It's good. Did a good job. Y'all can't see what I see from here, so it look a little different. It look a little dull. Where you at? Cause it's the shades, the trees and stuff. There's a lot of shade out here, so you ain't gonna see what I see really. Just want to give you guys an update. You can't see it. I see all those pearls in there. See all them pearls on that. You probably can't see it in the phone. There's a lot of pearls in there. I like the clear lights for the back. I don't know if I'm gonna repaint it. I'm just gonna go on with it and just say forget it. I don't know yet. But I won't be hitting no car shows because I ain't too happy with it. And if I go, I just be going. I ain't worried about starting and swerving on nobody because my paint ain't what I thought it was gonna be. It ain't sprayed as good as I thought it was gonna be. I see them pearls here right there. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, across the hood, I see them pearls peeping. Appreciate you for tuning in and watching. Thinking I'll give you another update soon.